I know what you're thinking right now. I already know. You see it right there. I got the dip on Ryoshi Vision. Yes, I was waiting for a dip. And what I did, I swapped 𝐂𝐴. I had a little bit of 𝐂𝐴. And I swapped it for some Ryoshi Vision, some of the profit from 𝐂𝐴. Because I just feel that I need to have a little bit more Ryoshi Vision. And not financial advice, but definitely consider this as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, Ryoshi Vision, yes. So when I first got it was August 13th, and it was a small number that's like that. I was sitting there like, I should have jumped and got it, and no, I'm not beating myself over it. But I did tell myself, when I see a dip, I'm going to get back into this, and I'm going to get a decent amount of Ryoshi Vision. Now, if you're just watching this for the first time, Ryoshi Vision is this. It's a token inspired by the pure vision of the great Ryoshi. And the tokenomics on there is really, very interesting. 1% of every transaction gets redistributed to everyone who has buried SHIB on ShibaSwap. So if you're burying SHIB on ShibaSwap, that's right here, you will have an opportunity to have some of this at some particular point. I don't know when they're going to do this. I don't know if it's going to be an airdrop or if they're going to somehow allow you to be able to accept this. I'm not sure yet, but once I know, I'll definitely let you know. And then 1% of every transaction gets burnt to the SHIB address forever. So those two things right there got my attention. No, this is not necessarily a part of the ShibaSwap ecosystem, but it's something that can definitely help it out as well. Just like it says here, as the great Ryoshi would have wanted, we have deployed liquidity only to ShibaSwap. So how you get this? By clicking on the buy on ShibaSwap on the Ryoshi.vision website. That's what I did. That's exactly what I did. I did this. This is what I did. Not financial advice, but just showing you what I did and what I'm thinking. So what I did is went to the website and I went right to ShibaSwap.com. I'm sure this looks familiar to you. The next thing I did, I connected the wallet together. So one of these three. So I think I connected Coinbase wallet. And then I just went ahead and just swapped it just like that. I had some Ethereum, had 𝐂𝐴 to Ethereum. I took some of my 𝐂𝐴 profits, swapped it for Ethereum, and then I used the Ryoshi from the Ethereum, and then bam, that's what happened right there. Now going back real fast, all you have to do is click on swap. My bad. Click on swap, confirm swap, and then that's all you do. Or actually, you know, let me back this up a little bit. Let's see if it works now. So yes, it works now, and I'm sure the fees is probably crazy right now. Fees are crazy. So if this is something you're interested in doing, beware of the fees right now. Now, when I did it and the fees was about $20. That's when I did it. And now it was not $50 when I did it. So I advise you, try to wait late at night, early in the morning, if this is something you want to do. Not necessarily telling you what to do, just instructing you, hey, if you want to do this, wait for a dip, like something like this, and then wait till the fees goes down a little bit lower. That's the only thing I would suggest you to at least look at to do. So once I go back to Ryoshi Vision, this also got my attention. I kind of went over this before because I was like, man, I really wish this. And this right here, just as Ryoshi burned 50% of the supply, Vitalik, we have burned 50% of our supply to Shiba contract address. So this burning thing is starting to get very interesting of half of supply burn. When Vitalik sold his token, the price tanked. I do remember that. In our case, this supply will never be recovered, so there's no chance of a billionaire crashing the market. So we definitely want to do this. And also we have seen all kinds of rug pulls and crashes. We hate the idea of the investors losing money to bad actors. So we definitely don't want to do that. And so for me personally, I feel like this is a good way of getting some gains on something that, you know, can help your overall portfolio. So if this thing goes back up again, my strategy would be take some of the profits on Ryoshi Vision and get some Shiba or Bone, because Bone right now is very attractive at $1.94. See, I'm looking at Shiba and Bone, and if I could take some of my Ryoshi profits maybe I can go ahead and do this. This is what I would do. This is what I'm thinking about doing. Flip this. You saw how I flipped that? I flipped that. You see that? And I'll go ahead and either swap this back for Ethereum, or if BONE remains $1.94, do something like that. Now, right now, I won't swap it for that because the Ryoshi price hasn't surged back up again. But once it does, I am thinking of making another move. So if I do maximal, that's 777 BONE. So if I switch out my Ryoshi right now, I would get 777 BONE. Now, I'm willing to wait. Let's say I double this. And let's say that gets to 3,000. So let's say, we'll wait till it doubles. I'm just thinking about scenarios. Is that gets to $3,000, that means that is 777 times 2. 700 times 2. That's not bad. About 1,500 bones at the price what it is right now. So I'm thinking about that. I'm really thinking about another way of how I can get more bone. Maybe I can use some of the Ryoshi profits, or I can use something else. I'm thinking about getting a little bit more bone, because bone being this low gets me thinking. It's just not talked about a lot, but I know this is going to be something that is going to really do well in the future, and Shiba and Leash as well. So that's my strategy. Get some Ryoshi. In my opinion, just make sure it works for you. You don't have to get this. If you're a Shiba holder, if you're a bone holder, a Leash holder, I think you're in a good position. But something about this, and when it dipped down, it just got my attention. Little Timmy, we're going to give him the entire amusement park. We may even give him the amusement park, may even give him the zoo. We may even give him Sea World. Who knows? May call him Timmy World. But anyway, just joking on that situation. But go ahead, take a look at this Ryoshi Vision. If you're thinking about getting it, click on the link below. Look at the website. Make sure you have the right Ryoshi Vision and take advantage of the potential opportunities in the future games. That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm using some of those gains to use it towards Shiba or Bone. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, Captain Inu at your service. Thank you for watching this entire video. I appreciate watching the entire video. Hit that bell notification when you get this video, any updates that I do, and I'll see you on the next video.